Uh, Utah's got a fake holiday that they call Pioneer Day. I know you probably can't see me, but...
I have the camera reversed, apparently.
The what?
The camera is facing me.
Oh, okay.
Well, my hand.
They
So
got to see you.
no,
Oh.
it was my hand was covering it. Thank goodness.
Well,
All right.
reverse it. And...
I have.
Anyways, Utah's got a weird fake holiday with fireworks. We're live with that. You go over there. I'm gonna check down below.
All right. It's not as lively as the last time we did this, but there is still stuff to see. Understood. There were some big ones going on over here, so I hope to catch those. But for now, we can see in the distance over here. Hello, Buzzsaw. As you might have guessed, this is not Zim. Zim is present, but not holding the camera. It's a nice clear night. Got the crescent moon. Ooh. Had some cool stuff happening over there. Utah has an interesting holiday called Pioneer Day, and they bring back fireworks for this day. So we are doing a reprise of our 4th of July stream. Ooh.
Oh, are there actual people?
We have Buzzsaw 5000.
Hey, Buzzsaw.
Someone's having fun over there, yeah. Good, we're getting something. When we got up here, there wasn't much happening, but now we've got stuff. There was some cool stuff happening back there, but hopefully they haven't fully stopped. That was big and visible. Good for streaming.
Might have accidentally spit on someone.
Oh.
Oops.
Ooh. I wish that one were higher up. That would, right back there behind that building.
Yeah, see. Right behind the building.
Buzzsaw says, "Hey Zim."
Hey, Buzzsaw. How are ya? Can you hear me all right from here?
Oh yeah, it's not as windy as it was last time.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. I heard that, but I didn't see it. Darn. It's behind a building.
I swear a lot of these fireworks aren't really making it up very high tonight.
Nope, that one did. I missed it. Darn. Oh, there's some more. Come on, people back over there. Do it again.
Yeah.
Do it for stream.
Oh, don't worry. They'll be launching off like one a night for the next month.
Yep, Buzzsaw can hear you.
Cool.
And it's doing great. They have their first D&D game. Congrats on the D&D game. Oh, it's starting to get a little windier, darn. Of course, right as I said something.
Huh?
Right as I said something, it started getting windier.
So you're the reason.
Yeah.
You jinxed us.
I can unjinx us. Wow, it's sure windy tonight.
Don't you know that Mother Nature can detect, you know? Probably better to just focus that way.
Yeah. I'm just hoping for that big one. A hybrid of like 4 systems. Oh dear, that's gotta take a particular DM.
What now? What 4 systems?
D&D 5e, Pathfinder, Call of Cthulhu, and Warhammer 40k Fantasy. That's a very...
Warhammer 40k or Warhammer Fantasy. It's one or the other.
I find it fascinating to throw all those together. I don't know how it would work, honestly. But maybe there's a way.
Where there's a will, there is always a way.
Fair enough. Hey, I said fair enough. Welcome, Lord Prettybeard. Ooh, those ones were loud from far away.
I swear if you cook that much food again, I'm gonna beat you.
You provided every bit of that food. Something over here?
Just one.
Darn.
Yeah, like I said, just focus on this way.
Lord Prettybeard has arrived in the stream.
What?
Lord Prettybeard has arrived in the stream.
Ah, hey. Good to see you again. Ow.
Right in the eyes? Ow.
There, now you can see my pretty beard. Somewhat.
Enough. Sounds like us today. Buzzsaw says that someone on another Discord went absolutely mental with outdoor barbecue and made some awesome food.
Yeah, we had 12 burgers, very big patties for 3 people. I was kind of thinking, you know, McDonald's-sized burgers is what we'd end up with, and we'll, you know, you'll go through 4 or 5 of those easy. Well, 3 or 4. And they were big enough that I'm struggling with just 2.
Yeah, it was tough. We have a lot of leftovers. Okay, here we go. Finally caught him. And is that all for now? Okay. We still got one. We got him once. That's the closest
Better than nothing.
closest fireworks we filmed yet.
But we also loaded ours up with fried eggs, bacon, onion rings.
Yeah.
I provided the food. Kristovic here cooked it.
Yeah, I cooked for an actual... I cooked enough for an actual barbecue get-together.
Yeah.
And we had not nearly that many people. Not that I expected to have more than people, but yeah.
I tried to get my boss to have one, but he apparently ate a bunch of pizza.
Oh, it was just one. That was a good one. It was a good purple firework. I'm gonna look that direction in case another one comes up. We have a lot of leftovers, yeah. He provided some deviled egg potato salad too. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I love bratwurst. I come from the Midwest kind of recently. Bratwurst, when done right, is amazing. Okay, I will personally check out the media section when I get on Discord next. Alright, we're overdue for another firework over here. Come on, give it to me. Hoping to catch it in the act.
Just a public service announcement for everybody. If a sign says no turn, you don't turn.
You heard it here first.
I would hope they heard it in driver's ed too.
You might, huh? Well, that's pretty close by. What is that flashing over there?
They're fireworks.
But there's a bright flash.
Yeah, the very bright flashes, those are fireworks. They're just very far away.
Washington's where I grew up. I like it a lot. I'm biased. Are you having fun?
Yes. Quit judging me.
I'm not judging.
You were judging.
You're making music. I don't judge. Come on, give me another over here.
Speaking of music, if you guys are a subscriber or patron, check out the supporters channel on Discord.
Buzzsaw gets it. It was for posterity.
What was for posterity?
I wasn't judging. I was filming, he says.
The start of my musical genius. Is that what you were filming?
Yeah, now we can have something to point to. It started on Pioneer Day.
Started on Utah's fake holiday.
Oh no. That would be something, though. We should pitch that idea. Ooh, that was cool.
I feel the food coma setting in.
Yeah. When I'm done here, I get to sit down for half an hour, and then get home, and then sit down for another long while. Wow, that one's getting pretty. Look at how high those are getting.
Yeah.
Lord Prettybeard said, next week, Twitch sings.
I've actually already done that. There's a few recordings on the YouTube channel.
Huh. I didn't know it was a thing.
Yeah, but you gotta show your face.
Not you sing, Twitch sings, like Twitch plays Pokemon.
Yeah. No, Twitch Sings is basically Twitch karaoke.
Oh.
And you have to show your face for it, so... or a face rig. I mean, that would work too.
Can you show up in a mask?
Possibly. I mean, there's no actual rule saying you have to have your face shown, but... you know.
Hey, Toshime.
Oh, Toshime, hey! Oh, I'd rather be home streaming a game. I mean, this is fun, but I mean in general.
Right.
After this.
You don't have to stand, walk around, work.
Why are you reminding me of all these horrible things that I have to do on a food coma?
Because I am in the same position.
You have to go walk around and stuff?
For work, I do.
I mean, tonight.
I might get emergency call and have to, yeah. Welcome back from work. It's starting to get boring and die down. Inventory or stocking truck kind of thing, Buzz? I think people have...
You came back from work?
Toshime.
Oh, well, welcome back.
Stocking trucks for food delivery. Yeah, I understand that. Ooh, Porco Germ 0908 followed.
Well, welcome. Thank you very much for that follow. Welcome to the stream. Sorry, we don't have any notifications. We're on mobile.
Looks like people have pretty much finished. There are a few small ones going off in the distance, but...
Yeah, it looks like it's pretty much over.
Can we get one finale from the people on stage right?
I know, they were so close.
That's stage left.
No, that's stage right.
Depends on which way you're facing. If you're facing the way I am, it's stage left.
It's stage front.
Stage front would be...
I'm facing that direction, therefore it's stage front.
Stage front isn't a real term. There's stage up, stage down.
I will say stage front.
Well, that is incorrect.
Look, this is my stream. If I decide that's stage front, then that's stage front. Now stop facing stage back. There's, you know, I don't know.
No.
Into the car.
All right. There's some big ones over there. We'll finish on that note. Look at that. It's going off.
Oh, I think that's the finale.
Yeah, we'll make it our finale. And that's it. Over to you, Zim.
He knew exactly what I was about to do. I mean, they would be better if we were actually, you know, there. But, you know, the 4th of July ones were great. Sit and pass out. Ugh. Hi. So this is Kristovic over here. He thinks I'm actually showing the camera at him.
I'm on guard in case you turn it. It only takes a movement.
Oh, just get in. Yes, it is a state-specific. Really? He's covering his face with a napkin. Well, there we go. There's Kristovic, the napkin wonder. I know. Well, on my end, it's showing we've got 9, but you know. Oh, I know, Pretty Beard. I know. I was just messing with him about the stage left and right and whatnot. Because, you know, I can.
I'm a theater major. I know at least something.
And yet you don't work in the theater.
Don't remind me.
I will never forget one of my best performances in the theater. I played Rumpelstiltskin.
I could definitely see that.
One of my people that did it with me used my real name suddenly, unexpectedly on me when we were doing it live. Like, we didn't do it the entire time through practice. And then the live performance, she's just like, is your name? And she said my real name. And I'm just like, what? No, where'd you get a weird name like that? Where did that even come from? The audience lost it. Because everybody knew who the biggest guy in school was. But yeah, he's still sitting there with that napkin in front of his face. Very camera shy.
Can you blame me?
Yes.
Will you blame me?
Yes. I'm judging you thoroughly right now as we speak.
I'm being judged. There's even less reason to show my face.
But yeah, anyways, guys, what do you mean it would be hilarious if the kid... Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. You not tell him that I end the stream and just let him sit there with his hand and a napkin in front of his face the entire time?
If I turn the light out, then I wouldn't be visible anyway.
Yeah, but you can't.
Well, my car is downstairs, so I have to go.
Alright, guys. Thank you all so much for joining us. Sorry it was a rather small stream, but I just wanted to share a little bit with y'all. I will be back later today or tomorrow, depending on your time zone, Saturday, with some Retrograde Renegades Starfinder.
With me.
Yes, Kristovic will be there. I'll make sure to get you guys a face picture, expose him.
I'll send you a face picture you can use.
You've got a mosquito on your finger.
I am not surprised. I've been seeing them fly around.
It's off. Now it's on your other hand.
I felt that one.
Even the mosquitoes want him to share his face.
No.
Well, Lord Prettybeard, you can always join our Discord or our Telegram channel or Twitter. And it'll, you guys just saw that mosquito. Where the hell did it go? Yeah, I hate it. Kristovic sounds like your old friend Moffat. You are a Moffat now.
Am I a Stephen Moffat?
I have no idea. Who's that?
He's a showrunner for Doctor Who.
What's that?
It's a timey-wimey thing.
Huh?
It's a timey-wimey thing. Ball of stuff.
Anyways, Lord Prettybeard, you can check down in the description, as well as you can do ! Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and get links to those. Oh, it's a wibbly wobbly thing. Okay. Okay.
Wibbly wobbly, timey-wimey ball of stuff.
I still don't get it.
I'll show you later.
I thought you were leaving.
That's why later.
Oh, well, now it's later.
Well, later it'll be later too.
Oh. Anyways, have a great night, everybody. Thank you all so much for joining, and I bid you the most fondest adieu. Have a good night, everyone. There, he's at least waving goodbye. Mr. Napkin Face. That's what we'll start calling him all the time.
I've had worse.
Anyways, see ya.